Hello, welcome back. So here we have another question from GATE EE 2018. In the two-port network shown, the H11 parameter. So they have also given what that H11 is. It is V1 by I1 when V2 is equal to 0. In ohms is dash up to 2 decimal places. So this is the network, two-port network. So they have given H11 is V1 by I1 when V2 equal to 0. Just with this we can actually find all the H matrix relation. So if you see, I can write this as V1 is equal to H11 I1 and there is H12 V2. So from this only they have derived this, right? So this V2 I have put here, this V1 I have put on here, I1 I have put here, and H11 is here. Here anyway it should be H12. So from this what you can get? You have your H matrix and then you have your other side parameters. So this one is I1 and V2. And here we have V1. What should be the other one? It should be I2 because there are only four parameters, main parameters for a two-port network, which is V1, V2, I1, I2. So and your H matrix will just be H11, H12, H21, H22. So just with this equation, you can actually get the entire H matrix. Okay, so in this question, we just want to find H11. So if we see, so here we want V2 to be 0. So I'll write it again. It is V1 by I1 and V2 is equal to 0, right? Okay. So V2 is 0 meaning this should be short, right? So we need to short this and I'll take this as reference. So if I were to redraw the circuit and V1 also I'll connect some V1 voltage and I need to find I1 here. This is I1. V1 I can also put it as 1 volt for convenience. Then my H11 becomes just 1 by I1. Okay, so if I want to redraw this circuit, I have 1 volt, 1 ohm, I have 1 ohm here and this is anyway short to ground. So I have 1 ohm and I have this current controlled current source which is value of 2i1 and i1 is this. So i1 is what we want to find. So here if you see, here i1 is coming and here there is 2i1. So rest of the i1 current should come from this 1 ohm in parallel with 1 ohm. So this is nothing but 1 volt, this is 1 ohm and this I can write together as 0.5 ohm and this is 2i1, this is i1 and this is also gonna be i1. That's what we saw, right? And this is my ground. So what is this voltage going to be? It is minus 0.5 I1, right? So then from this I can get I1, right? I1 is nothing but 1 volt minus, this is 1 volt minus of minus 0.5 I1 divided by 1 ohm. So this is nothing but I1 is equal to 1 plus 0.5 I1. So 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 I1 is equal to 1. So my I1 itself is equal to 2 ohm. Here it is 2 ampere and my H11 is nothing but 1 volt by 2 ampere, right? Which is nothing but 0.5 ohm. So my H11 parameter is 0.50 ohms.